Mm, Okay, friends, I am going to share one small story. Okay, okay, let me share the story now. Once upon a time, there was village where lived a villager named Ganesh. Ganesh was Ganesh was innocent and simple man. Also, he was illiterate person. Illiterate person. One day, he noticed that many people wore spectacles while reading newspaper and books. He thought he thought at the time, if I wear spectacle, I would be able to read like them. He became curious. Oh, definitely I am going to buy spectacle. After wearing spectacle, I will be able to read like them. As he decided, tomorrow Ganesh went to nearest town where he found spectacle shop. When he entered inside the spectacle shop, shopkeeper welcomed him. Sir, what do you want? Ganesh asked to shopkeeper, I want spectacles for reading. I want spectacles for reading. Then shopkeeper showed different types of spectacles. Ganesh tried. Also shopkeeper gave him a book to test them. Then Ganesh tried one after another. But Ganesh was not able to read. He could not read anything. Ganesh Ganesh said to the shopkeeper, none of these spectacles are useful to me. Still I can't read anything. Shopkeeper looked at him doubtfully. Shopkeeper looked at the book in the Ganesh can. Shopkeeper looked at the book in the Ganesh can. He noticed something funny. The book was upside down. Shopkeeper asked him, "Sir, you don't know how to read?" Ganesh replied honestly, "Sir, I don't know how to read." Then shopkeeper, controlling his laugh, shopkeeper told at Ganesh, "Sir, spectacles cannot teach how to read. Spectacles help you see better." Then Ganesh understood his mistake. Moral of the story: knowledge cannot be gained by having tools. We we must learn the basic skill. Need to use those tools properly. Thank you. Like and share, subscribe. We will meet in another video. Thank you.